Hey guys, well, it's been a couple weeks. Had a lot to do, got a lot done, got a little fire going, and finally hit 65 degrees. I will tell you, for the last week, it's been in the 30s to 40s. So it's been very tough doing the concrete, but I got a lot done in the interim, and let's see what's going on. Let's see what we got going on over here. What we got is I'm doing the pallets again like I did on the other side, from the doorway over to here. I'm starting to put the footers in for the future. When I raise the deck and I want to put windows in, I've got to have support. So I went ahead and filled those in. I'm going to do it over here as well. It's just, right now, it's a catch basin for whatever concrete is left over after I do my walkway. I did these earlier. They're still curing, but I put the gravel in anyway. These are fresh. As soon as it hits 54 degrees, then I go ahead and pour some more. You know, it's just, it's an ongoing battle with the temperatures, wintertime. I started laying this thing out. I got this all done. It's still not level, but I started throwing a couple bricks down, and I got my my meter, and I'm starting to see where it's going to fall. But I needed him to come back and do one more grade and get rid of the pile that was sitting here, which is gone now. The main objective for that pile was to level off the center, but we looked at it and we're going to have to bring a bulldozer in, fix this problem. It's just the way it is. I made an order today to get the framing for this deck here and up to my bedroom door. And I'm going to stop it so when I come out, I can go down and take care of the propane. I'm just going to have to wait patiently because I'm going to have to do a half a deck, make it solvent, and do a half a deck. Now, with the rest of this nasty 6x6, or actually 1x6, I'm going to go ahead. I put some more walking rubber mats out here. I'm going to go ahead and lock all these together too with the footer and put walls up about 4 feet. And as you can see, I'm inundated with ladybugs. This is nothing. See them all on the wall here? See them? Thousands of them. They're not getting in the house as much as they did last year because I sealed up the bottom. That toilet's going to be over top of this as a outhouse. So I got a few things going on. I got some help coming. Thank God. I've been trying to hire somebody, and I got a husband and wife team that'll come over and help me, and just do little things, you know, 4 or 5 hours in a day, once a week, you know, for $100. I mean, it's a no-brainer. I had Marvin come in. he leveled all this out, and he fixed the road and got rid of the humps on the part that I don't own. $200. I mean, for the amount of money that you spend to make your life easier, gosh, you know, that's welcome. Very, very inexpensive. He's going to chop down the trees. He's going to bring in the bulldozer. Everything's going to work out fine. Stefan finally came home. Don't have to take care of the animals no more. They were destroying everything. But he paid me. So that worked out fine. And lifetime of water until I get a well. So that worked out fine. I have Monday off, and that's an oddity because I took a sick day. I'm not going to let it build up too big. I'm going to take them as I see them because I did find another job. I still work at Lowe's, and this other job is still with Lowe's, only a project manager position in corporate office. So I think it's going to, and it pays more. So I'm going to look into that this week and, just keep moving forward. Winter's coming, so I need to winterize this place as best I can. And that's next thing, I'll keep doing the concrete as I can, temperature permitting. But I think the next thing I'm going to do is start putting the walls up, the little knee walls, to keep the wind from whipping underneath the trailer. When it gets to 30, 27, it's going to help. All right, guys, I hope everybody's happy and healthy. I'm doing great. It may take me a while to shoot a video, but I got so much to do and with very little time. So when I have an opportunity, I take it. So I hope this helps you. If you're doing something like I am, to pick your battles. It's always about what time of the year and what you can do and what the lumber prices are, and you got to pick your battles. Yeah, I didn't add the other tier yet, but that's coming. All right, guys. It's about it for today. I got a shower, 64 degrees. I feel good. I got a great dinner planned. I have a little banana bread muffin I've been saving, and I'm gonna have that tonight. So I'm good. I hope everybody else is good. Stay away from the COVID. And when I get the bulldozer in here, it's going to be a whole nother story. All right, guys. I'll talk to you soon.